Okay, looks like it's up. Court order's ready. And do we, Mr. Rodriguez, you got your audio on at least?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay, great. All right. Court call State of Texas versus Raquel Uruegas. This is cause number 2025 CC 003423. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also live streaming the proceedings on YouTube so that it's open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment for Bexar County, Texas Jail Court, and specifically for County Court at Law number 12. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Daniel Rodriguez for the state.
Peter Calderola for Miss Uruegas, Your Honor.
Ma'am, are you the same Raquel Uruegas charged by information with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called Share Screen, and I'm going to show you some documents. The first one you should see is called, let's see, where's my cursor? This is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference, and I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this your electronic signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing this document, you're telling me two things. One is you understand that normally we do pleas live in an open court. With your signature here, you're telling me you want to proceed by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the electronic signatures in the packet in front of me, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
I approve the consent and make it a part of the record. I'm scrolling down to another document. It's 2 pages. It's called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and the Court's Admonitions. And on page 2, I'm using my cursor to circle an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing this, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments, you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Furthermore, by signing this, you're telling me that you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is paperwork electronically makes it a little confusing, but the third block from the bottom would mean that it's a Class B misdemeanor, and it would be up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, Your Honor.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and make them a part of the record. I'm also going to turn off the share screen application. And just a minute here. All right, state, can you give me the agreement that you have with counsel and the defendant?
$0 fine. Court cost 15 days, Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served. Time and money to remain concurrent. She has more than 15 days in jail.
All right, counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
And then Ms. Uruegas, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to sign it. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
But if I do sign the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. I understand.
Counsel, what was that?
Yes, Your Honor. I understand.
Oh, okay. Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
None that I'm aware of, Judge.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea, and we'll proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Are you asking
Yeah.
me, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
If not, then a plea of guilty, no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual or rational understanding of the charge pending against her?
I do so believe, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
I believe she is, Judge.
Ma'am, to the offenses listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, Your Honor.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, Your Honor.
I find the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that she's mentally competent to enter into such a plea. I find her guilty. Counsel, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
Defense waives, Your Honor.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
None that I'm aware of, Judge.
Be no legal reason. In accordance with the agreement of the state, ma'am, I sentence you to 15 days in the Bexar County Jail. We'll give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine and court costs. Time and money will run concurrent. And this is judgment satisfied. Ma'am, this is a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain. So you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and we'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No.
Nothing from defense, Judge.
The matter's concluded. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
May we be excused?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. We are still on YouTube Live. Let me go ahead and turn it off. I don't think we have anything ready to go yet.